Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Beautiful morning this morning. There it is. I don't know what that is. That's the new girls. They are laying. They are starting to lay. Yep. New batch of hens. They starting to lay. They started laying a couple days ago. So that's good. We back to egg production. I don't know what I got, 14 on me here. That's enough for right now. Plenty of eggs coming, y'all. So after the last loss, we are back. So 5-month journey from baby chicks back to laying eggs. So, and they still do got baby chicks. They still got baby chicks in the store if you still thinking about doing your chickens. I know I've been focusing on the garden a whole lot so far this year, man. You know it's almost August, man. We like 1 week away from August. But anyway, I'm kind of caught up on the garden where I want to be. I ain't got but a few more things to plant, some greens and cabbage, and I think that's gonna be it for the rest of the season. Then we gonna get back on these the animal side. So we gonna start working on the infrastructure. I'm gonna show you everything. The whole homestead ain't just the gardening part. We got critters, we got animals too. So we gonna start working on that the rest of the year. You know, I got goats, pigs. We still trying to get for the year out, but I gotta make sure I put the infrastructure in right this time with the fencing. Cause you know I got how my brother-in-law say we got out here National Geographics out here. So I wanna make sure I got everything on deck so I can keep everybody protected, you know, and get the production side going on the Grumpy Homestead. Alright, y'all, one more time. There it is. They small now. See, that's the regular size egg. So when they start laying, sometimes they a little small. And some of these probably gonna be double yolk. That don't mean the egg bad or nothing. It's just double yolk. When young chickens start laying, sometimes they have double yolk. You can still eat them and everything. Ain't nothing wrong with them. So there you go. Chicken update. And we'll catch you on the next video.